Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through a quick boxing warm-up that I like to do, good cardio warm-up. It beats running, a lot easier on the knees, a lot easier on the body, a little less monotonous. You can kind of be creative, make it dynamic, do more with it than just, one foot after another. So I'm not going to do too much technical explaining with this video, more or less just showing you what I like to do, kind of with some pointers throughout. So let's get to it. Starting out, just kind of feeling out the bag, kind of getting my range. Light, lazy work, just to kind of get my arms moving, kind of get the hang of it. Keep your shoulders loose. Keep everything loose. I mean, really, being tight muscle guy isn't going to make your punches harder. It's just going to make you look stupid. Trying to keep the elbows in, trying to stay loose, stay bouncy, knees kind of bent forward, but still chin down, looking up at wherever I'm hitting. So yeah, whatever, you can do that as long as you want, kind of get the feel, get the range. Then if you want to add some structure to it, you can start with a good timing drill. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Thing about timing, start slow, start with, 1, 1, 2, jab, jab, cross, and then work your way up to different kinds of punches and combinations. Really, most of boxing is getting that snap, getting that rhythm, and staying loose, staying accurate. So if you can see the pattern here, the timing's, kind of boom, 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 boom. You can kind of play with whatever timing you want, but just make sure it's snappy, boom, boom, not, boom, 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 boom. You get it. And guys, I'm all about establishing that jab, because a lot of times, if you want to talk practical purposes in a street fight, a lot of people are going to be coming at you, them wild haymakers, whatever. You can just bypass all those wild punches by shooting right through them with the jab. You hit somebody with a clean shot to the nose, most people are going to rethink messing with you. So really get that jab crisp, get it powerful. That's going to really get you a long way as far as timing goes, and as far as just being able to handle yourself and box well. You can see now that I'm getting my timing, I'm starting to add more punches, more hooks. So yeah, You can kind of do that, repeat that process, take it as far as you want to take it. And that is a great, great warm up. Get your heart rate going, gets a little sweat going. Better than running, right? All right.